I want to say big up Christmas list as well. You know, and pepper fly going on me here, guys. Jesus Christ. Catch a one at night, man. Catch a one at night. Don't laugh, boo.
Welcome. Thanks for clicking on this video. If it's your first time clicking on my videos, my name is Nigel. I'm a YouTube content creator here in Jamaica. Yeah man, the land of wood and water. So here what we're gonna be doing today. Today me I head out to a place called St. Thomas. St. Thomas is one of the 14 parish here in Jamaica. So here in Jamaica they call it the Forgotten Parish. Right? So today me I head out that side. I'm going out that side today to link up with another YouTuber named DJ Wicked Vlogs and his wife Life with Orintia. Right? So if you don't know them link go down in the description so you can check them out as well. You see me? Yeah man. Go give them some support as well. So here when me I drive out there, the rain drizzle. It not start for it not fall as heavy as yet, but it's been drizzling. When I turn on the camera, I'm gonna see what's going on. Yeah. So you can see it on the windscreen. That is it. Right? So we are head out there, so also on our way we are gonna stop and get some jerk pork or some jerk chicken. We're not sure which one as yet, so we'll go and lock in for that, alright? St. Thomas, we are forward, alright? Outside. They have this little waterfall on the side of the road. We got a stupid place. So we just stop and get some water right there. Small mini waterfalls. Look at that. So on our way to Wicked, to DJ Wicked in Moran Bay, we stop and see this nice waterfall right on the side of the road, you know. It's very lovely and nice, people. You can hold a bathe right there so you can shower. You can't swim because as you see it's just concrete and the water just pouring. Natural spring water. Right? So we're gonna continue upon our journey till we reach Wicked. So we're going to lock in. Do the right thing. Alright? We're out here. So yeah, we are in Morant Bay now. So there are wait pan DJ Wicked Vlog. I'm saying my name here, so they are wait pan him. We're right in at the park, on the beach front. Yeah. So we are wait till him forward. So now go and stay tuned till Wicked forward. Alright? Outside. The people, guess who there in the house?
Yes, the man, one DJ Wicked Vlogs in the place. Yes, peeps. So stay tuned, man. Stick and stay. You know we are gonna do some adventure, something for you guys. So don't worry about it. Yeah man TV. Yeah, Nigel, yeah man, TV and DJ Wicked Vlogs. Oh my God, you all been waiting on this collab. Yeah man, it's now.
Yes, no man. So we out here. We're gonna do something crazy in the idea. So we're gonna go and lock in. Probably I'll cook some food. We don't know what we are doing yet. So we're just go and lock in, alright? We are out here like now. So we stop at one place and get some jerk chicken.
Yeah.
You see it? We have some jerk fowl. That, yeah man, that's a go on. Jerk fly up. Yeah man, that's a go on. See pit over there so. There's a them jerky fowl in there. You see it? So now go see what go on. Where you say you love jerk fowls, Wicked?
Yes man. Yeah man, if I not jerk pork guys, I jerk fowl, you know.
That is it man.
That is it.
Yeah man, Jamaican way.
Yeah.
The chicken here people. It's a leg and thigh. You can put some hot pepper on it. That is it. Some extra spice.
With a dean. You peeps. You know my work already.
I'm going with some ketchup in it too.
Natural pepper guys.
Yes, no man. What's wicked? That is it.
Go.
Yeah, now.
Hungry take over. You have to eat some food, yeah? The pepper is bad.
So I go and mash up the chicken, see that? So a festival. So we get some festival too. That is it.
But to like all water superstar run out the yard of people. Blend up pepper the best man.
So people reaching our building. You don't know what they are with DJ Wicked and Orintia. Look no man, look good no man.
Bless up guys.
That is it.
Wagwan. There are no people. Just remember, check out the Yarman channel, like, comment, share and subscribe guys.
So we're there, see us there. I'm going with great things people. No joke thing. Look no man. That is it. So we're out here. We don't know what we are going to do for the rest of the night. Look like rain going to fall and thing, but we make you know what's going on. Where's the rain always fall up here?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Hope you are blessed.
Yeah man. I don't know if you guys can see view, but we out there. Yeah man, right down there so we are come from. We down.
Man in the rain a fall and so the breeze a blow.
Yeah.
So it close and blow off.
Okay, the way up on the hill.
Yeah man. Breeze heavy, windy bad.
Oh. But I like it. I like the climate up here, man. Up here cool and nice.
Yeah.
Would I live up here? Nah lie, yeah. But look on the view, man.
Nice
The view.
place, man.
View nice, man. And when I see we have a whole heap of fruit tree, I see we have apple tree.
We have apple, we have jackfruit, we have pear.
I see papaya, I see mango. And over here, so I see scallion and thyme.
Yes,
See what I have going. Them have them little guard. Night I come down, people reach here in a night. So them have them time right here, so. Yeah. And some scallion. You know, so when you blend up them the scallion and thyme and some pepper, you get some nice seasoning for your jerk chicken. You see jerk chicken what we get today? Yeah man, and them type of seasoning we use for the jerk chicken to give it that flavor there.
We have silk bribe, we have pine.
Yeah man, see them a plant up the place which is good. See apple tree a blossom too. There.
Eat half fight already, sir.
You say you want to eat half fight already?
Yes.
What? What not play? And now play.
Yeah, man.
That is it, man. I have cherry tree. What? One full of fruits, man. When them start beer, man. One nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. People remember check out our channel. You want to tell them?
Yeah, guys. You can just remember to check out my channel, Oriental Lifestyle Vlogs.
That is it.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys.
Yes, no man. So people, the link I got down in the description. Just go over there and give her some love. Give her, make she get up to 1K, even 1K people. If you can get her further, please help her to get there, alright? We're out here like normal. We're out here like no. If you don't believe, ask God. Wanna stay tuned.
Go brighter lighting.
Yeah man, go on, hit the light. Get brighter, oh.
Yeah no peeps. We here with Nigel Yaman TV guys, and you don't know he's a real youth guys. Him come all the way in St Thomas to camp with us tonight. Guys, this is more than a vibes. Guys, if you're watching Yaman and you never yet subscribe, oh my gosh, you need to do that like right now guys. I wrote to 20K, you know guys. Yeah man, help him to grow. You know what I mean? Yeah man, and look what I go on guys. Look what I go on, man. We here with Oriental Lifestyle Vlogs. No joke.
That is
I
it.
don't know. It's my wifey as well guys. And we're here at our new home as you can see. Yeah man. And the great Nigel Yaman is here guys. A greatness man. A greatness. I want to say big up Christmas list as well.
That
you know, and pepper fly going on me here, guys. Jesus Christ. Catch a one at night, man. Catch a one at night. No, sir, pepper fly going on me here. Blow it up, boo. Don't laugh, boo.
And I control She can't blow it out.
Oi, people! That was wicked!
Hey, check, so water come wash up here. You see him? Man. Pepper flying again.
Go in there.
Yo.
Yeah, try get out the pepper fly.
The pepper fly up here, brother. A long time that don't happen, you know, brother. No, sir.
So only in our country this happen, don't it?
Yeah, man, pepper fly always.
A long time I don't sit there and something there now.
Oh. I try wash it out. Yeah, them a follow the light. Pepper fly.
That's only could fly, man. In there, in my eye, see me.
Oh. So you can't blow it.
That you not say to blow it, but
no far up in there, man.
Alright, so I try wash out the pepper fly, people. So no go and lock in.
yeah, man.
Yes, no man.
Yeah, I want something come wipe off my face.
Come like
We say it a burn like the pepper you eat today?
Yeah, man, it burn, bad.
Yeah, no, stop.
Yeah,
let me see your face. Let me see your face.
Yo, this board are epic, brother.
Laugh in the
Yo,
video,
sir. Yes, yo. Yo.
You want to wipe out his face.
Me say.
Hi.
No, the mind can't get him for the sitting for sure, no, guys. I say it every work, you know. Yeah.
Me say, guys, you know I feel like and share subscribe for that one, guys. That one is wicked.
Me say, guys.
Insta, take your time.
Turn the camera over here, man. Me say, guys, me can't see good enough, but me I tell you. You know, man, pepper flying and me years this happening, man. Years, guys. But me I tell you, Jano, you need to subscribe for that one, man. Share it. Make sure it get 100,000 views for that one.
No joke.
That is it.
Yes, no man.
Yeah, man.
What's up?
So I go and lock in the place a while ago. I just say go. One of them things.
Yeah, Bible goes a booba whole life. Me say that.